We'll make up a new example here. And I would encourage you to actually pause the video and maybe give this a try on your own first, just to see if you're kind of getting the hang of it. But here's our directions. We're going to solve for x. Solve for x. And for this problem, we're going to have quantity x plus 3 times quantity x minus 1 equals x squared plus 3x minus 4. So here's a great time. Pause the video and see if you know how to do this without help. Okay, so I'm thinking like line down the middle, let's solve for x. Well, I'm not going to be able to do anything when I have this product. I see the product, I see the two quantities. I need to change it into a sum. So right at this moment in time, I'm kind of thinking to myself, okay, I got to go over here. Here's my thought. I got to go over here and I got to change all of this. I can't have a product. So I'm going to take my generic rectangle, go through my steps. X plus 3 is going to be on the side. X minus 1 is going to be on the bottom. I'm going to break this up into 4 sections. I'm going to quickly kind of go through this and copy my sides. X minus 1 goes on top. X plus 3 goes on this side. Kind of copy left and right, top and bottom. And then just multiply. X times x is x squared. Negative 1 times x is a negative 1x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And 3 times x is 3x. So I have x squared minus 1x plus 3x's minus 3. And really, I can combine my negative 1x and 3x to make 2x's. Let's combine those together. So x squared plus 2x's minus 3. There's my sum. Okay, all that work to get my sum, and I'm going to take it and make that my next step up here. So I'm going to have x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals x squared plus 3x minus 4. I didn't do anything on this side. I haven't done a single piece of work yet. So I just copy it down to the next step. But now it's a pretty simple problem. Now I know how to flip and move things around pretty easily. I'll take this x squared and make it a negative x squared, and thankfully they cancel out. So that's good. So I have 2x minus 3 equals 3x minus 4. Then I might get my x's together. I think I'm going to easily move my 3x over and make it a negative 3x. 2 subtract 3 is a negative 1x minus 3 equals, cross this out, I still have a negative 4 left in this problem, so negative 4. And then I'm going to flip the minus 3 over, make it a positive 3. So this negative 1x, which I'm just going to write negative x. We don't need the 1. This negative x is equal to negative 4 plus 3, so that's going to be equal to negative 1. And then we're pretty much good, except I really didn't want to solve for negative x. I didn't want to know what negative x equals. I just want to know what x equals. So this last step here is the one where you kind of flip everything. Let's flip the x over and make it positive. Let's flip the negative 1 over and make it a positive. 1 is equal to x. There's my answer. All that work to figure out that x is equal to 1. So these are really fun, lengthy problems, and notice how I'm showing my work and organizing it. Eventually we will start doing the generic rectangles with some other strategies, but for now in our class where we're at, this is kind of how I want you to practice. It'll help us down the road. So that's kind of the idea. Hope that helps.